ka medyo mas careful ka ba ngayon in terms of posting stuff? Kasi di ba si Liza medyo ilang beses siya na-bash when it comes to her being, paano ba din?
Expressing herself online.
Yeah, pero para sa akin, not really. I mean, ako para sa akin, hindi naman. Kung sa akin naman, I didn't really mean to hurt anybody's feelings. It's just me, I just wanna have fun and post what I feel. Yeah, kung may ma-offend, I'm sorry, pero I don't think I post offending stuff naman. So some people, what they do is they like to bash you or say bad things because they want you to reply. So para sa akin, yun ang style nila eh. So the more that they hate on you, gusto mo lang ako mag-reply eh. So di na ako magre-reply, tapos pero hindi sila titigil, pero kasi pag nag-reply ka, hindi titigil. So para sa akin, style nila yung gusto nila mag-reply ka, kaya sila nagbabash. So alam ko na yun.
Yan din ba ang advice mo kay Liza? Kasi
Yun ang sinasabi ko sa kanya. Pero minsan kapag sobrang grabe na, nag-reply siya, parang isang beses.